All right, guys, come on over this way. So hi, my name is Jason Lanier. We're here in Oceanside, California. The tide is really far out today. We're underneath the pier and I'm using the Interfit Pro Flash 360. I have two 180s and I have a 360. I'm using the 360 for double the power. I'm not shooting in high speed sync. These are normal shots, but because I'm in shade, I can get away with firing these and make some amazing results, exposing for the background and lighting for my subject. Come right over here, guys. My couple is getting married in China, but wanted some shots out here in the States before they have their actual wedding in China. So that's what we're doing here. All right, Emily, you're gonna stand right here, honey.
Put it down?
You can hold it, whatever you want. Eventually, it's probably...
It's okay, you're gonna get away anyway. You're gonna get dirty, get more money.
There's a beauty dish with a honeycomb on it that actually directs the light better as well. All right, perfect. Take about one step towards me. There you go, stay just like that. Come right into the middle. Okay, stay just like that, Emily, don't move. Nope, keep, look, just like that. Oh my gosh, it's a seal. There's actually a seal.
Oh, wow.
Okay, we'll get it in the shot.
Look at that seal.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3. All right, Lian, stand. Lian, you're gonna come right here. Put your hand up. You're gonna look at your beautiful lady. Emily, turn your eyes, look that way. Nope.
Your eyes.
There we go, just like that. Beautiful. You're doing great, don't worry. Take your left hand and put it right here. There you go, look that way for me. There we go. Lian, put your back against the post. There you go. Awesome. There you go. Turn and look at your girl, just like that. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's a good one. Okay, hold hands. But hold her hand like this. There we go. Very soft. Perfect. 1, 2. Lian, cross your feet over. Perfect. 1, 2, 3. Now kiss her hand. Okay, Emily, look straight forward. Tell her to hold her dress out to the side. About Lian, look at me. Have her hold the dress about like this. There we go. Perfect. 1, 2, 3. All right, she's gonna stay like this. Don't worry, I won't get close to you, make you throw up. But Lian, you're gonna come in just like this right here, and then I'll direct you. Go a little bit that way, Lian. There you go. Emily, put your head on his chest. No, her head. But have her look at me. There we go, just like that, perfect. Now put your hand on his chest too, honey, and pull your hair back. So many things to do as a girl, it's hard. Look down at her, just like that. 1. Okay, both of you look at me. Are you tired, Emily? I wouldn't blame you. There you go. Okay, hug your man. Emily, put your right hand on his shoulder, right here. There we go. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, that really does look fake. Woo, baby, that's getting close to those cables. Well, now I'm wet. That did it. All right, Emily, you're gonna come right here.
They think you're crazy.
I'm used to that. They probably think you're crazy too. Lian, you're gonna come over just like this and be right above her. But you got it. Emily, turn this way, honey. Turn and look at him. There we go, just like that. All right, give each other a kiss. 1. This is ridiculous. Come on, guys, we can do it. We can do it. You're already wet.
Oh no!
She's a midget.
Come on, midget. You can do it. You can do it, midget. Here, I have an idea to not make her a dwarf. You come over here, Lian. Give each other a kiss. 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh, these are ridiculous. Beautiful. Emily, turn your hips more to me. There, just like that. Lian, come closer. There you go. Emily, bring your arm around. Foreheads together. There we go. Stay still. 1, 2, 3. Wow, these are just unbelievably good.
Oh my God!
Hey, give her a kiss. Oh, mother freaker. Oh, it's getting really high. It hit the danger zone. It breached the walls. Now my manhood is freezing cold. It's like Costanza said, it was freezing. All right, tide's definitely coming in. All right, come this way, guys. These shots are so good.
Wow.
Yeah, wait, see when the light fires? All right, guys, let's go over here. Yeah. All right, stop right there. Wow, these are freaking gorgeous. All right, brother, you're gonna take a step this way. There we go. Okay, give each other a kiss. All right, look off that way.
That way?
Yeah. No. Look. There we go. Emily, take your right hand, put it on his chest. There we go. Lian, take your right foot and step towards her. There we go, perfect. Beautiful. 1, 2, 3. Step that way, Jason. Dude, that's awesome. Give each other a kiss. Oh, mama, that's good. Emily, take your right hand and hold out your dress. Just a little bit, just a tiny bit. There you go. Both of you look that way. All right, I'm gonna get a shot of you guys walking along the beach.
No more veil.
No more veil, no worries. When a woman's done with a veil, she's done with a veil. I've learned that over the years. All right, guys, walk that way together. Lian, walk ahead of her a little bit. There we go. Walk like that. All right, I want you guys just to dance.
Okay.
No, she doesn't have to spin like that. Like you're dancing together. There we go, yes. No, it's beautiful. Here. Does that look corny to you?
Wow.
Not really at all.
Does that look corny? You have to trust me. So dance! When I tell you to dance, dance! No, not like that. Like slow dance. No, like you were. Go, come together. Yes, there we go. Stay like that. Don't move. This is when you need a freaking tilt screen. Okay, now bring your arms up like it's your first dance. Yes. Actually, Lian, take a step back. Hold her arm up, like you're gonna spin her around. There you go. Look at each other. All right, kiss. Okay, here we go. All the way, full power. Stand there, look at each other. Just like that. 1, 2, 3. Kiss her hand. Stay like that. Don't move or I'll kill you. Okay, do it again. And I really miss my DSLRs that didn't have a tilt screen. are amazing. Those shots are epic, Joyce.
Wow.
Isn't that amazing?
Yeah. Wow, thank you.
See, that's no Photoshop. That's out of the camera.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello, my name is Lian. This is my wife, Emily. We're from Riverside, California.
How did you find Jason?
She looked it up on the YouTube. We found his website, Jason Lanier. So we emailed him. We email back and forth. So one day we went to his house to discussion those whole thing. Now we decided to shoot 2 places.
Did you guys have fun today?
Oh yeah, a lot of fun. Yeah,
What do you guys think about the pictures that you saw on the back of the camera?
it was phenomenal. It was
Gorgeous.
amazing. Yeah, Jason did such a wonderful job.
What do you guys think about Jason? Working with Jason, what do you think?
Jason is such a funny guy, down to earth, so easy to talk about it. Really nice guy. We had a lot of fun.
Would you guys recommend Jason to your friends?
Oh, definitely.
Do you have anything you want to say to Jason?
Thank you, Jason. Thanks a lot. There's not much there's not enough words to say how much I thank you. I feel grateful.
Hope you like my brownies.
By the way, I hope you guys like my wife's brownie. Those brownies are bomb.
Yeah, they were the bomb.
Yeah.
Thank you guys so much.
Yeah, thank you.
So we just wrapped up here. Amazing, amazing shoot. You know, I throw the word around amazing, but I have so many shoots that I just love. This one though, this one really was amazing. I mean, by now you guys have seen the shots. I'm thrilled at how this one turned out, and thank you to my wedding couple, Emily and Lian. They just did an amazing job. They're getting married in China in a couple months, and you know, I'm not available to shoot their wedding. They were bummed about that. I'm actually already going to be shooting in New York at the time, but so we did the shoot out here, and we had an amazing time. So thanks to my crew, Jason and Joyce, for coming. Thanks to everybody for watching. If you guys haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. And I love what I do, and I hope it comes across in the images. So until next time, keep shooting, never give up on your dreams, and remember, you only have one chance to get it right. Talk to you later. Bye.
Your sky's fake today.
Were my skies fake? Baby, my skies are fake all the time because I know how to shoot.
He ordered that backdrop.
Yeah, this is all studio.
Exactly.